Indoor plant stands are a versatile way to display and elevate your plants, enhancing both their beauty and the overall aesthetic of your space. From minimalist metal stands that offer a sleek, modern look to rustic wooden ladder stands that add warmth, there are options to suit every style. Multi-tiered shelves allow for the display of multiple plants in a compact area, while hanging stands free up floor space and add a dynamic visual element. Vintage or upcycled stands bring character and personality, while concrete or glass options offer a more contemporary, bold touch. Indoor plant stands can elevate your space by adding a decorative element while giving your plants the height and prominence they deserve. Here are some ideas for different styles and functionalities of indoor plant stands that can fit various decor themes. For those who appreciate clean lines and simplicity, a minimalist metal plant stand is an excellent choice. These stands often feature slender legs and a simple platform to hold the plant. Available in finishes like black, white, or gold, they blend well with modern or industrial interiors. A metal stand can add a touch of sophistication to your space without overwhelming the room. A ladder plant stand is perfect for displaying multiple plants in a small space. These stands typically feature tiered shelves that mimic the rungs of a ladder. Made from wood, these stands can bring warmth and a rustic feel to your home. You can use the different tiers to display a variety of plants, mixing trailing plants like ivy with upright ones like ferns to create an attractive, layered effect. Inspired by the mid-20th century design, these plant stands often feature wooden bases with tapered legs and a clean, geometric silhouette. Pair them with ceramic or fiberglass planters in neutral tones or soft pastels to create a chic, timeless look. These stands work particularly well in living rooms or bedrooms, complementing furniture from the same era. If you have a collection of small plants, a multi-tiered plant shelf can be an ideal solution. These stands usually consist of several shelves stacked vertically, allowing you to display multiple plants in a compact footprint. This type of stand is versatile, fitting well into corners, beside windows, or along walls. It's perfect for small apartments where space is limited, as it maximizes vertical space. For a bohemian or eclectic vibe, consider hanging plant stands. These can be suspended from the ceiling or mounted on the wall, freeing up floor space. Hanging plant stands are great for trailing plants like pothos or spider plants. They add a sense of movement and life to your interior, and you can play with different heights to create a dynamic display. If you enjoy a bit of DIY or are a fan of vintage decor, consider upcycling an old piece of furniture into a plant stand. An old stool, a chair with the seat removed, or even a vintage suitcase can be repurposed to hold a plant. This approach not only adds character to your space but also allows you to customize the stand to your exact taste and the aesthetic of your home. For a more contemporary and sturdy option, a concrete plant stand can be a great choice. The raw, industrial look of concrete complements minimalist and modern interiors. You can find concrete stands in various shapes and sizes, from small pedestals to large blocks. They provide a stable base for heavier plants and add a bold, architectural element to your decor. For an artistic and budget-friendly option, consider stacking books or magazines to create a makeshift plant stand. This works well in eclectic spaces or home offices. You can even coordinate the colors of the book spines with your room's decor. Just make sure the stack is stable enough to support your plant. For a sleek, modern aesthetic, A glass or acrylic plant stand can provide a near-invisible support for your plant, allowing it to be the focal point. These stands are ideal for small spaces where you don't want to add visual clutter. They blend seamlessly with contemporary decor and can create a light, airy feel in your home. Choosing the right plant stand can transform your indoor plants into stylish decor elements that complement your living space. Whether you prefer minimalist metal stands, rustic wooden ladders, or vintage upcycled pieces, there are endless possibilities to suit your style and space.